Hi, I'm Jerry James Stone, and in today's video, which is going to be a short one, I'm going to show you the best way to chop celery. Now, celery is sort of ubiquitous in the way that onion is. It's used in a lot of recipes to create that base. For example, it's used in mirepoix, which is onion, celery, and carrot. It's 2 parts onion, 1 part celery, 1 part carrot. And you use that in soup broths or, when you're sauteing oil just to get a nice flavorful base within that recipe. The thing that's annoying about celery is that sometimes you often just need a little bit. So chopping it can be a little bit of a struggle. Often you'll break off a rib and chop the whole rib, and you might not need the whole rib. So you kind of either waste it, I mean, you can eat it, but it's a little bit bothersome. So what I like to do is I actually just chop off the top. I never pull the ribs off of the celery. I just go in and I chop the top off. So the first part I'm gonna do is remove the leafy green part on top. Get that out of the way. And then once you chop off the greens, you just take your knife and chop off exactly what you need. So if you just need a little bit, you just chop off a little bit. If you need a little bit more, chop off a little bit more. And the best thing is, when you go to store this in the fridge, by the way, be sure to watch my how-to video on how to store celery. When you go and store this back in the fridge, it'll actually last longer because everything's still connected. You're not breaking off pieces of it, you're just chopping off the very, very, very top. So that's how you chop celery. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If there's something that you want to see, hey, drop me a comment. And if you like to cook like I do, subscribe. I release new recipes every single week.